So over the last 7 years, I brought a camera on every single vacation and I've never once filmed anything. We're in Scottsdale, we've been hiking every day, and I actually brought my camera to shoot something on a hike. So I shot this specifically for Instagram stories, thought it'd be fun. And Alicia's 5 months pregnant and she has a ton of energy to hike, and she has a human in her, which is crazy. And so I'm exhausted, but I hope you enjoy this. Thanks.